and hit on the bell icon to never miss any new update. Today I am sharing a easy DIY candle holder for celebrating. DIY. I'm using this glass jar from my kitchen. For template I'm using this adhesive tape to make a small heart, or you can use any kind of paper that can be stick and remove easily. Repeat the same. After cutting them out, stick them randomly on the jar. Press them gently and make sure they are stick properly. Next I am using white spray paint to paint the jar. If you don't have a spray paint, you can use any kind of spray or acrylic paint. After the paint is dry, peel off the stickers. Candle holder is almost ready. Next I tied a jute rope to give a rustic look. I have this beautiful pearls. I wanted to use it. It's optional. If you want, you can use it, or else you can leave as it is. Next I added a LED candle or string lights. I love the way it turned out. It's very easy DIY